Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this two-piece set on Dress to Impress using the Petal dress. Select the dress and toggle off the silver top. Color whatever color you want. I'm just going to color mine this pink and peach sort of color. You can also use the mini Queen of Flowers toggle. Then grab this. I'm just going to make sure I've saved the skin color. Okay, it's this one. So select the corset and color the first one your skin color. Next, color it the same as your corset, your flower dress. Then your skin color again here. And then you're just going to add that to the last toggles. That same color like that. Then you're going to grab this one and color it the same in glitter. And then this as well in that pink in glitter. If you want to, you can change the sleeves to the Roblox item one. I think it looks better, but if you don't have it, you can just use that one. It's up to you which one you want to use. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.